Good morning children. Good morning everyone. I am back with our today's online class. Today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday and we are going to learn two new more phonic sounds. We almost completed our phonic sounds. We have completed from A to V and today I will explain you W and X and tomorrow I will give you the introduction of Y and Z. So tomorrow this topic will be completed. So today's first letter is W. This is W. And this is small w. Mama W, baby W. W, baby. W, Mama W. And W for watch. Watch. Okay. So, the sound of letter W is the sound of letter W is the sound of letter V and W is almost similar, but don't get confused. We have different actions and sound also. Look at my mouth and teeth. How does wind blows? हवा कैसे बहती है? So the sound of letter W is got it? Now repeat after me. Now our next letter is what comes after W? W X. X. This is letter X and this is small x, baby x, mama x, baby x, mama x. Okay, so mamas are big, babies are small, so this is big X and this is small x. X for X-ray, X for X-ray, X for xylophone. See, this is xylophone. The sound of letter X is X, X. How do we click a photo? Let's click a photo, okay? Make a camera with the help of your hands. Make a camera fast, fast, fast. This is my camera. Where is your camera? This is our camera. Now click a photo with a sound. X, X, X. So sound of letter X is X. And the action is X, X, X. This is the sound of letter X. We don't have any particular sound for W or X. If I found it, then I will send it in the group. Okay. So, the sound of letter W is and the sound of letter X is X, X. Got it? Tomorrow is Wednesday and you have to submit a activity, right? So, tomorrow's activity is you have to make a video of sound U, V, W, X. Okay? 4 letter sounds. U, V, W, X. Repeat after me. Okay, what is the sound of letter U? Sound of letter V is sound of letter W is sound of letter X is X, X, X. I hope you got all these 4 letters and sound. So tomorrow submit your activity on time. Okay?